second. Are you ready?
We roll.
Oh my God. Oh. It's hard out here for. I can't even take a small snack break. Work, 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 work. Okay. Don't you need your 10 seconds?
Wow, that's in there because the lights make noise.
I think. Let's see. Hey y'all, I know you are wondering, Cooking with Cheron. I keep talking about it on social media and you all see the business chat or you may see some recipes here and there through the platform, but there's more to it. There's more to it. And I think now that I'm going to explain it, I think you'll want to jump on board. So outside of the Cooking with Cheron, the business chat, and also the recipes, we have this amazing cookbook. You all are missing out on this amazing cookbook. There are over 30, 40, I think maybe 50 recipes there that you can take advantage of and see the full recipe and cook for yourself at home. You don't need me, even though I love to help you out. You have that. You have a platform of like-minded people that we can discuss back and forth, similar to Facebook and all the other social media platforms, but a lot better because it's about us. It's not just cooking. It's about health and wellness, and I think you all would love to take advantage of it. So check it out at cookingwithcheron.com. You won't be sorry. I'm just going to start off with a little bit of, we're going to coat each one with the seasonings that I said. The garlic, we have the onion powder. Just make sure, and I could have pre-coated and seasoned all this, but I wanted to show you all how simple it is and how you can do it at home yourself. So you can use chicken as well if you don't have the veggie stock or bouillon at home. All right, so this is looking very good. Now this may take a little bit longer than what I said before as far as like cooking the salmon, only because I made these cuts a little bit thicker. And it was only because it was a thicker piece of salmon, but that's okay. It'll just cook a little bit longer, and I like my salmon medium well anyway.